Okay, so let's talk about this. You've done everything right. You've vacuumed. You've done the slow, super satisfying vacuum lines. You've even gotten on your hands and knees and declared war on a single piece of fluff. The rug looks fantastic. It looks clean, innocent, maybe even a little smug. And yet, there's a certain aroma in the room. A phantom scent of, I don't know, old library books and regret.
It is a genuine, baffling household mystery, isn't it? Your eyes are telling you one thing. This rug is spotless. But your nose is telling you a completely different and frankly much smellier story. So what on earth is going on?
Well, here's the secret, the hard truth. Your rug is a liar, a beautiful, plush, polite liar. It is a master actor, putting on a brave, clean face for the world while hiding a whole universe of secrets deep down where the sun don't shine. So let's pull back the fibers on this whole conspiracy. Because the problem isn't what you can see on the surface. Oh no, the problem is everything that's been happening underneath. Think about it. On the surface, it's all good. But deep in the foundation of that rug, that's where the party's at. Every drop of coffee you thought you cleaned up, every muddy paw print from a walk in the rain, and just years of dust, oils, and invisible gunk have settled in and made themselves at home. It's honestly kind of poetic, in a gross way. Your rug has become this absorbent scrapbook of your life. It holds the memory of every spill, every footstep, and every single humid day. But the thing about memories is, after a while, they can start to get a little funky. All right, so you've noticed the smell. And what's our first instinct as civilized people? We try to fight smell with another, better smell, which, of course, leads us down a well-trodden path of aromatic disappointment. Ah, yes, the classic three-step emergency protocol. You light a nice candle, you crack a window to let in some fresh air, and then you just hope. You hope that the power of ocean breeze is stronger than the power of mystery funk. We've all been there. And this is the inevitable result. You haven't actually fixed anything. You've just created a brand new, complex scent monster. A hybrid odor that is part cozy vanilla, part damp mystery, and all parts disappointment. It fools no one. And here's why it fails every single time. All those sprays and candles, they're just putting a little makeup on the face of the rug. Meanwhile, the source of the smell is having a full-blown rave deep down in the foundation, and it did not even hear the doorbell.
Now, for those of us living here in the greater Victoria area, there's another sneaky villain in this story. And it's something we can't do a single thing about. The weather.
That's right. You can let yourself off the hook. That persistent mustiness isn't a reflection on you. It's just geography. Our lovely, coastal, sometimes a bit damp climate means our rugs are basically giant sponges soaking up moisture from the air. It's a feature, not a bug, of living on Vancouver Island.
So, if our candles are betraying us, and the very air is plotting against our rugs, what is the answer? Well, you have to stop trying to mask the problem and start serving it an eviction notice.
And this right here is the absolute key. A real professional cleaning doesn't add a new smell. It's a deep-down physical process that actually removes the gunk, the oils, the pet dander, all the little particles that are causing the odor in the first place. It kicks them out for good.
And right here in the greater Victoria area, the pros at Luv-A-Rug are the specialists in this kind of odor eviction. Their whole philosophy is built around removing the problem, not just perfuming it. They get to the actual root of the smell.
And they are not messing around. They have a guaranteed pet odor removal service, which, let's be real, is the final boss of rug smells. They specialize in the nastiest odors, but their process is totally safe for even your most delicate, precious rugs. Oh, and they offer free pickup and delivery in a lot of areas, so you barely have to do anything.
So what's this really all about? It's about giving that rug you once loved a second chance. It's about hitting the reset button so it can make a great first impression all over again.
And that's Luv-A-Rug's whole mission, their tagline, helping you to fall in love with your rugs all over again. It's not just about getting it clean, it's about restoring it to that state where you remember why you bought it in the first place, when it just smelled fresh, like nothing at all. So really, the only question left is, are you ready to call it quits on the vanilla rainstorm disappointment? Are you ready to stop negotiating with a smelly piece of decor and actually solve the problem for good?
And here's the best part. Getting started is unbelievably simple. Luv-A-Rug has made it so easy. Just grab your phone, text your name and a picture of your rug to 778-533-7847. That's it. You'll get a free instant estimate
and you'll be on your way to ending the curious case of the smelly rug once and for all.